So guys, here you can see that more videos me came out with the Django, and in today's Django video I'm telling about the add a static file. If you don't know how to add a static file in Django, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about this. See the video start to end. If you do not see the video start to end, so you have problems in your code. So that's why I'm telling you see the video start to end, and please like this video, share your friends and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our future latest videos. So now I did not take a long time, so let's move to computer screen and let's learn about it in the Django how to update your project. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Django video, I am telling you about how to add a static file. So if you don't know how to add a static file in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. So let's get started without wasting our any time. Add a Bootstrap 5. There are two main methods to use Bootstrap in your Django project. Two methods. Either by downloading the required files and include them in your project, or you can install the Bootstrap 5 module in your virtual environment. We will use the second method, installing Bootstrap 5 in the virtual environment. Install a Bootstrap 5. Bootstrap 5 should be installed in the virtual environment. We will be installed it in an existing project by the My Tennis Club project created earlier in this tutorial. Open the command view, navigate to the virtual environment and folder to activate the virtual environment. Go here, you write here active.bath in your Visual Studio Code terminal or command prompt. When you are inside the virtual environment, you install Bootstrap 5 with this command. To install the Bootstrap 5, this command you have written like pip install Django /bootstrap /v5. Then it will be start to downloading it. Okay, like that this command you will be writing, then it will be start to downloading your Bootstrap. Okay, so now which will give you the result look like this. And you are in virtual environment. You must know you are in virtual environment. If you do not in virtual environment, so it give you the error. Update the settings. Next step is to include the Bootstrap module in the installed app list in the settings.py. Okay, insert the Bootstrap. Okay, now Bootstrap 5. So come here, and then in your settings.py file, add the Bootstrap.5. Only you write here Bootstrap.5, then your Bootstrap has been added. Now, Bootstrap 5 is now ready to use in your project. Okay, remove old styling. The My Tennis Club project already has a style sheet. Remove it, and the members page without styling will look like this. Without styling the members page, it will look like this. Here you can see it. Okay. Add a Bootstrap 5 to template. To use Bootstrap 5 in your project, start by inserting some lines of code in the master.html template. Okay, so which type of code? Let me show you. Now, come here, close it, come here and create one file. Sorry, create a file, add file, master.html. And I'm pasting this code here. Here I have like doc tab, HTML head, and like titles. In the title I like that, and then I define div class container. Okay, like that. Here we define some HTML code. Okay, like that. Now let's come here. As you can see, we inserted these three lines in the head section. In the head section, we insert these three lines. Let me show you. Here you can see it. These three lines. The first line tells Django that it should load the Bootstrap file module in this template. The second line, insert the link element with the referral to the Bootstrap style sheet. The third line, insert the script element with the referral to the necessary JavaScript file. We also did some changes to the HTML elements in the template, like inserting Bootstrap classes to the navigation bar. Like this one example I have been showing you. Here you can see it. This is our one syntax, okay, not an example, because we have already pasted the code here. If you run this project, now the members page look like this. Here you can see like that. That is the Bootstrap 5 is now part of your project. Learn more about Bootstrap 5 in our Bootstrap 5 tutorial. That's it, and here you can see it. We in today's video, I told you about how to add a static file in Django, and in today's video we see at how to add a Bootstrap file and how to download the Bootstrap file also. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our future later videos. So without wasting our any time, I'm in the next lesson, next very amazing that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.